Just a quick update on the kiln. It's -8 out Celsius, and it's a crisp morning because it's windy. It's a cold -8 is what I'll say. So the relative humidity is running at about 41%. So it's almost done. You can see the water's still dripping at a pretty good pace. And what do we have? Yeah, so because the heat is off and it's so cold out, you can see the temperature's dropping inside the kiln. I'm not going to bother turning the heat back on because the as you can tell, it's still dripping really well. And we're almost there. The average is 19 now. There's still these two. They were in the high 30s, if not low 40s when we started. I think it was high 30s. But what, I think 5 days ago? I have to double check. But yeah, we're almost done. I think this will be done in by tomorrow.